very supportive mayor, Honorable Attorney Sam Norman G. Fuentes, mga bumbero palakpak. And, of course, our very dynamic, very supportive, Sangguniang Panglosod, headed by Honorable Vice Mayor Simplicia Bibi Oneri. Palakpak, bumbero. To my bossing, the City Local Government Operations Officer, 6. My mentor, Sir Ijal Bedra. Mga bumbero, palakpak. To our Chief of Police, Lieutenant Colonel Harvey Abellanosa, sir. To our City Admin, Miss Rotesa Grace Oano, my book, Jefferson Go, all the department heads, fellow government employees, officials, visitors and friends, good morning. Good morning. Maraming salamat po, kahit mainit, andyan pa rin kayo. O mga bombero, palakpak. The Bureau of Fire Protection has its mission. We protect life. To save more life. And the environment through an integrated system of prevention, response, and investigation, and strengthening public safety and community resilience. We have also a vision that a modern and trusted fire and emergency service building a safe and resilient community. However, this is a very perilous and disastrous generations. Our Creator itself, before He died, He said, He warned us that there will be more, you will hear more rumors of wars. Ngayon, patay na ang President, I think the President, the Prime Minister of Iran. And, please do not be troubled, for all these things must come. For nations will rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. There will be famines, there will be great pestilences, and there will be earthquakes and more earthquakes to come. So we in the Bureau of Fire Protection are helping the community to aware. Kaya mamaya we will conduct motorcade to aware the Osamisnon that be watchful and be ready for these disasters. Pasalamat ko sa akong partner, Sir Dondon Guangco, na wala pa'y disaster, gapangita na may disaster, bombero palakpak. The BP right now, gentlemen and ladies, we will intensify the conduct of fire safety inspection, especially in all structures of Osami City Fire Station. Palakpak sa tanan, please. Please help us. We cannot do this in our own. We need your help. Lastly, mga kasama, daghang salamat, salamat, salamat. And finally, God is a consuming fire. God bless everyone. Good morning.
Thank you so much, sir. Mao to among happy, nga gwapo, og energetic. Okay, for the information of everybody, March is a fire prevention month. And also, March is a rabies awareness month. So at this time, may I call on Dr. Lorjos M. Callao, our OIC City Veterinarian. A hand of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. Ang atong tema karon nga tuig sa Rabies Awareness Month is Rabies Free na Pusat Aso, Kaligtasan ng Pamilyang Pilipino. Rabies awareness is very necessary kay daghan pagyud kaayong mga myth about rabies. Just like for example, ang uban mo ingon basta iro og iring naa ginay rabies, labi na itoy. That's not true. Ang atong iro ug atong iring wala gina sila'y rabies. But they can acquire, they can be infected. That's why, karong March, atong pabukunahan ang atong mga iro o atong mga iring para dili matakdan og rabies. So, for the whole month of March, ang atong opisina sa public mall, sa second floor, magbakuna ta, libre. Iro og iring, walay non-break. Tapos, sa mga barangay sa layo-layo, muadto mi sa Manaka, Sinusa, Sangay Dako, Sangay Jut, Kabinti, Embargo, Gutukan Jut, og Labinay. So, atong ugalion, labi na sa month of March, nga magpabakuna, para kada tuig, dumdumo na to nga March, magpabakuna kita, di ta kalimot. So, 3 months old nga papi, pwede na bakunahan og iring. So, good morning everyone.
Thank you so much, Dr. Caliao. At this time, may I call on our head HRMO, Sir Joey Ampong. A hand of applause, please.
Buntag sa tanan. Vice ni Ma'am, and the rest of the sangguniang ang panglungsod, my idol, headed by my brother, sir, Attorney Tapayan. Just an information only. It will take only 1 minute. Just congratulations to the City Civil Register for winning the third prize in the infographic contest at regional level in line with 36 Civil Registration Month celebration. This remarkable achievements reflects the office dedication, creativity, and commitment to excellence in public service. And we have a special recognition goes to Mr. Emil Vincent Paul Agustin. My snappy salute, sir. Administrative Assistant 2, whose hard work, salin, and unwavering effort greatly contributed to this success. So with that, sir, your accomplishment brings pride and honor to the entire office and the community served. Keep up the outstanding work and continue striving for excellence. Once again, sir, may snappy salute. And medyo mainit. Anyway, this is vitamin, ma'am. Vitamin B. Thank you very much and dalagon ang Diyos.
Thank you so much, sir. At this time, may I call on our Suite 3 OIC CSWD, Mr. Raji Gomez. A hand of applause, please.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning, everyone, to our City Mayor, Mayor Sam Norman Fuentes, and the rest of the City Council, of course, headed by our ever-dynamic, the mother of the City Council, City Vice Mayor Simplicia Biminiri, and to our Committee Chair of the Social Services, Honorable Lorly Fuentes Cipres. To all department heads, especially the women department heads, a round of applause for them, and to all my fellow public servants. Good morning. As per Proclamation number 227 series of 1988, March is declared as the National Women's Month. So for this, we have lined up activities will be posted and announced soon sa ato ang LGU. And for the Women's Month, the main theme is We for Gender Equality and Inclusive Society with the sub-theme Live Like the Babayans Filipinas. To the women in front of you, at your back, at your side, kindly tap their shoulders and say, Babae, mabuhay ka. And give them a hug, please. Once again, Happy Women's Month to all of us. Good morning.
Thank you so much, sir. Once again, Happy Women's Month. Mabuhay po tayong mga kababaihan. So at this time, or is there any announcement from the different offices? Ma'am, sir? So, the Bureau of Fire Protection or the Ozami City Fire Station, we will be having a motorcade after the ceremony for our kickoff for the month-long observance of our Fire Prevention Month 2026. That concludes our program this morning.